Hi, programmers. I'm back. I took a few weeks off because I was busy with the Thanksgiving holiday and things like that. But now we're going to continue on with this. And the next thing we do to this adjust hours section is we're going to put us on a group box. And I hope I have got, we might have to, anyway, make the box bigger if it doesn't fit. And I don't have a label, and I call this Seg group box. And it's going to be no label or text there, I mean. And we're going to say visible false. We're going to let the program make it visible or not. And then what I'm going to do, we're going to do is we're going to create, let's see, there is 8. I believe we've got 8 labels, and we need 9 text boxes, and we need 1 button that we're going to put in there. And what it is, it matches the each of the fields for the grid box. And like for instance, 1, 2, and I'm going to get this started, and then we'll let you guys and me finish them up, and we'll have it ready for the next video, that because it takes a little while to straighten it up and things like this. 2, 3, and there's another label here because we got a colon in the middle here, and then we're going to have us a delete button and what this is, when we do click one of these grid boxes, it's going to display the data down in the group box, and then we can either edit it or we can delete it, or we're going to have a button up here, which we already have, called add, where we can add new. And anyway, so that's what we're going to do next. And go ahead and get your labels all together and get your text boxes. And for this first one here, he's a Seg ID text box 3, or that's a text box that's going to go with it. Oh, I guess we can leave this label back, whatever it was. But label 16. I wanted the text. There we go. And then I'm going ahead and add a colon there too. But when you add his text box, we want him read only with no tab stop. And then we're going to have another text box down here. Next is for the time. Basically, we're going to do hours and we're going to do minutes. And then we're going to have a read only, no tab stop text box for those seconds. So, because whenever you enter your hours and minutes, it converts to time for us. But anyway, so let's add our button and text boxes. Text boxes. There it is. So y'all go ahead and work on that, and next video I'll have it all cleaned up and we'll start working on the programming part of it.